Good morning, people. I found something that might be of interest to some of you. Because they say on Ago or Ago that you don't need banks anymore, as you can use them to invest in crypto and manage your money. The token behind it has a pretty interesting strategy where you kind of like co-own part of the website, as there's a revenue sharing model behind it. They are incredibly small with a market cap of less than 4 million, and there's a good chance that you probably haven't heard about them, so I thought, with the not financial advice disclaimer, let me show you what they do and how much I put in here and where I think this can go to. So they allow you to buy crypto by card instantly, as they made it easier for you to join the blockchain revolution. You can now buy digital assets with your credit card or wire transfer, and the website is powered by their Ago token. That launched about 3 weeks ago or so on PancakeSwap, and since then we're up about 13%. The token is also going to be listed on a top 10 exchange in the next coming days, which means something along Gate.io, Bybit, Maxi is where we will see this token fairly soon. They are a DeFi platform that aims to modernize traditional finance by bringing together institutional and crypto services within a single application, and they say that the team behind it has more than 15 years of combined experience, with the goal being to create something that belongs to the users instead of having everything centralized as it is with most exchanges out there. They also want to eliminate intermediaries and redistribute revenues between them and the users fairly and equitably. They've been audited by SafeTin over here, and they offer a 3.0 trading platform, social trading system as well, a DEX, as well as an on-ramp and off-ramp system, so you can convert between crypto and fiat. They will also have an upcoming AMA over here for the roadmap as well as listing, which is happening on May 2nd, so about in a day from now, at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is like 1:30 a.m. European time. So if you're still awake at that point, feel free to join over there. And at the bottom over here, they mentioned that they want to launch their own Visa card, as well as a dedicated crypto wallet, their own apps, as well as a gamified reward system, and then also a launchpad for new DeFi projects. And if they deliver on all of that is mentioned down there, then this one right there should increase by quite a bit. The entire roadmap is based on liquidity pools and staking, the launch of their mobile apps, additional chains being added, as it is so far only on the Binance Smart Chain, and Ether fundamentals and liquidity, while also having something like a crypto ETF, crypto loans, and the tokenization of things that we talked about multiple times before on the channel. So you can take an asset and then put this into fractions, sell them as NFTs for example, so you can split the value. Pretty interesting idea. How does the token work? You can get it on PancakeSwap or on their website over here. I'll show you both ways. And it acts as a deflationary token that can also be used for reduced fees on the platform, governance as well. And with only 10% of the token being in supply so far, most of them are still there to be unlocked, as they were sold in the different seed and public rounds, kept in the reserve, some for the team, some for marketing, and that supply will just go down over time with the burning mechanism that they have behind it. They also mentioned that over 10,000 people have signed up for their Visa card so far, as that would mean you can use crypto to pay globally, get rewards and cashback, and also have like instant and fearless transactions, which would be really nice, especially when it's free. Now, because it's in the pre-order, it isn't out yet, well, that for sure is something to keep an eye on. I was trying to find the tweet about it, but imagine there's a picture of a card and the exact details that I just told you. That is still coming soon, but they also have an international bank account number. I think that's IBAN. Yes, I am correct indeed. Which then would make all your crypto interconnected through your phone and be spendable with one card. And that's huge. When that happens, I'll let you know. On the D app, you can connect your wallet, like MetaMask for example. Click on Next and Connect. Get a sign one message in order to verify your account, and then you're all good to go. Now you can buy, swap, and send things on here, and I will show you how to get the token. You would enter the amount of BNB or any other token they have available so far that you want to swap. Let's say 0.15. Adjust your slippage tolerance to 50%. No, 0.5 automatically is fine. Click on swap, and in case that doesn't work, disable uBlock origin and reload the page. And then MetaMask also opens up. You can spend your 40 cents on gas, hit confirm, and then your swap is successfully done. Now you will see that in your wallet. Obviously, the token doesn't appear automatically, as you have to import the token yourself. It will update your wallet balance over here anyways, but we can simply go to the Ago token or go over here on CoinMarketCap, click on the copy button, click on import tokens, and then you paste that. It will show you the symbol. Next, import, and you can then see your token balance over here. Option 2 would be, we go on to PancakeSwap, connect our wallet there, and then for the token we want to swap into, paste the contract address. We will then see that it's active and Ago over here. Select the amount, adjust slippage, click on swap, confirm, same steps as on the site, and you're all good to go. And then it also asks you if you want to add the token to your wallet manually in case you didn't do so, and then it shows up in here. Now if you want to buy crypto with them, you can also select how you would like to pay for it, what do you want to get. If you want to use Apple Pay, for example, or Google Pay, or Visa, MasterCard. If you want to sell crypto, what do you want to receive? Euros, US dollars, Mexican pesos, that is available too. They also have, when you select trading, a whole futures page over here in case you're into that. So you can use their dashboard, buy, sell, connect your wallet to all of that. And when it comes to swapping, even though I just showed you how to swap into AGO, they have access to 1,000 plus cryptocurrency pairs with a trading fee of up to 0.2%, which then means the fees that are generated from their swap, from their site, from all the services that they offer will be used to give back to the token holders as you earn from the fees that other people pay, but also to buy back the token and burn it over time, which then increases the value due to scarcity. And as you've seen, there is no KYC, there's no sign up requirement. Wallet, sign in, done. Again, not financial advice of course, but with the current market cap and what they already have working so far, plus everything that they will deliver in the next few months, this at least sparked my interest, to put it that way. And if you're interested too, links to everything in the description down below in the pinned comment, and I will update you on how this one goes over time. Again, they have a AMA available happening with Twitter Spaces, I think, on May 2nd, 7:30 p.m. EST. I will try to join it as well. I will be in a flight, so 50-50 chance if I'm in a layover at that point in time and then join it, or if I listen to it when it's done, because I think they saved the recording somewhere. And maybe, just maybe, this could be useful to some of you guys as well. I will now drink my pre-workout and then go to the gym, because today is a lag day and I don't want to do it. But I told myself I will, and now I have to. See you tomorrow when my legs hurt a lot. And until then, take care.